Transfer news: Coventry City set to sign Chelsea star Mykhailo Mudryk. Fire police. Transfer rumors: news: Coventry City to sign Chelsea's Mudryk. Transfer news: Coventry City set to sign Chelsea star Mykhailo Mudryk. Fire police. The future of Chelsea winger Mykhailo Mudryk has suddenly become a major talking point in the transfer market, with Coventry City reportedly showing interest in the Ukrainian international. According to recent transfer reports, Coventry are among the Premier League clubs interested in Mudryk, with the possibility of a reunion with Frank Lampard, who previously worked with the winger at Chelsea. However, it is important to stress that no official transfer agreement has been announced, so this remains a transfer rumor rather than a completed deal. Mudryk's situation has changed dramatically in recent weeks. On July 31, the Football Association confirmed that his anti-doping proceedings had been resolved with the agreement of the World Anti-Doping Agency. As a result, Mudryk is now eligible to return to competitive football immediately. The 25-year-old joined Chelsea from Shakhtar Donetsk in January 2023 and signed a long-term contract with the London club. He has been out of competitive action since late 2024, making his return to football one of the biggest developments surrounding his career. Chelsea have also confirmed their support for Mudryk and welcomed his return to football. He subsequently returned to the Chelsea squad and made a pre-season appearance against Juventus, marking an emotional comeback after his long absence. Now, Coventry City's reported interest has added another twist to the story. If Coventry were to make a serious move, Mudryk could potentially get an opportunity to restart his career with regular Premier League football. But for now, there is no confirmed deal between Coventry City and Mykhailo Mudryk. Chelsea remain his club, while reports of Coventry's interest should be treated as speculation until an official bid, agreement, or transfer announcement is made. So, will Mudryk stay at Chelsea and fight for his place under Xabi Alonso, or could Coventry City become his next destination? This is one transfer story to watch closely as the window develops. Fire Soccer.